All right, YouTubers, sriracha and steak seasoning, and this is going to be a quick meal and a video filled with a lot of different stuff.
All right, we're cooking on the grill. Trying to beat that storm cloud. This should be all right. We should make it.
Another pretty quick and simple meal that I'm trying not to go in too much detail about. Just steak and carrots out of the microwave. Canned carrots nucleated.
All right, as I said, the trip is nearing the end, so I'm using up a can of carrots, round steaks, and some pork and beans. Just oldie brands, none of that flavored stuff I've had. But let's give it a try. Carrots are carrots. Alright. Baked beans. They're okay. I like pork and beans. I'm gonna cut into that steak. Doesn't that look good?
I guess this is the epitome of my idea. Keep it quick and simple so you can go out and do the stuff you really enjoy and eat decent too.
Now this has definitely gone to medium. But with that seasoning and the sriracha, it tastes pretty darn good. Have a great and wonderful day. Alright, YouTubers, I'm still doing my Class B trick because my sink is so small. I'm washing it out here in the bucket, and I'll show you the rest of the trick. Alright, I got coffee in my coffee pot, so I didn't heat the water in that. I used my induction cooktop and the water, and I unplugged it because I was done using it, and I run it off the post. That's how I get my hot water. Wash the dishes in there, then when they're done, I rinse them. And this time I'm using the camping shower thing. I got it warm today, and I just rinse it right in there. If you use the good soap that doesn't hurt the planet, you could just dump it all right here, but I'm at a campground, well, a casino campground, so I don't want to do that here. But then you just rinse them and you're good to go. It's pretty simple. I will admit that sometimes it's a couple days between dishes. Sometimes it's 3 days, but I'll wipe them down with a Clorox wipe and separate them from my clean dishes, obviously, in that same bucket, and then wash them. So there you go. Great and wonderful day. More rain. I bring the rain to St. Ignace too. Pretty good downpour for a second. Alright, that was just cloudburst. As quick as it started, it stopped.
Now it's time to go to the lake side of the casino and enjoy a sunset.
Cast a long shadow. I didn't bring the gimbal.
I like that thought. Cast a long shadow. Now with this mediocre sunset, I'm going to stick in some music. I hope you enjoyed and that you have a great and wonderful day.